Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Pulling season has officially started. They had a test and tune a week or so ago, and first pull's coming up. I think it's real quick. I don't remember what the date is, but Plan B is not ready. We haven't done that head gasket, haven't checked the fuel system over, haven't even test fired them yet, so it's time to get busy. Alright y'all, what we're going to do to get started here, of course got to pull the side panels off. I'm going to pull the exhaust off over here, pull the intake and carburetor off in one piece, and then this is the head that's leaking. So the head gasket that I think is leaking. I've seen it puffing down there, seen a little bit of dribble down the side. So we're going to pull that, at least this side off. We're going to try to reuse the old head gasket, the arrow copper gasket. I'm going to try to re-anneal it, and I'm going to use a different method than what I usually use, so I'll show you that when we get to do that. But I'm going to get busy, pull this exhaust and intake and carb off, and we'll bring you back when we get to that point. Alright y'all, alright, got the intake and carburetor pulled off, got the exhaust pulled off, pulled the bolts out of the valve cover and got it popped off. So we're going to go ahead and pull these 4 head bolts out and see what's going on with that head gasket. Hoping I can get these bolts up out of here. I got a push rod guide in here. It should clear them. So, hoping it'll clear. Oh yeah. I really don't want to take them rocker stands off if I didn't have to, but probably will to put it back on. But just to pull it off, I didn't want to. Well, I'm going to have to pull that off there anyways. So, alright, let me get the 2 bolts out here and see if we can break these rockers loose. Alright. Got all the bolts out. Need them push rods down in there. Oh yeah. If you guys can see that or not. Right there. Just pushing out right there. So, alright. That solves that mystery. And it was on the head side. So, we need to double check that head to make sure that it's flat down along there. I'm gonna order new head gaskets. They won't be here in time to get this video out. But I'm gonna try a new annealing process and reuse these gaskets. I'll get them all cleaned up, get all the sealant cleaned up off of them, and I'm gonna try a new process. Usually I just use a propane torch, heat them up good till they change color, and I'm wondering if I'm not getting them consistently hot all over. So I'm gonna try a new process that I've seen. Gonna give her a try, and we'll show you that after I get that head gasket cleaned up there. So I'll shut the camera off, get it cleaned up, and we'll bring you guys back when we're ready to try to anneal this. Alright, y'all. I did take my straight edge, went across there. I can't see any light through it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see anything or not, but yeah, she's perfectly flat within tolerances. I mean, that's where these eyebrows come out. So right there where she blew, she's good and flat. So yep, we're just gonna have to get her cleaned up, and then I'll show you that new annealing process I'm gonna use to do these valve covers, or sorry, head gaskets. So if you guys see there's the K series. We're still waiting on parts on that one too. So let me get set up here, and we'll start annealing that head gasket. Alright, y'all. Little bad news. A little poor planning on my part. A little bit of misunderstanding, I guess, with the Jungle website. The new tool I ordered through them got delivered, or sorry, got shipped, but then didn't get shipped. I should have ordered it a while back, but I didn't. Usually it's just a couple days, it's here, no big deal. But now it's not arriving for a few more days. So I want to get a video out for y'all. So we're going to end this one here with getting the head and stuff off. We'll pick back up with annealing the old head gasket. I've got it cleaned up, it's ready to go. But I'll show you the new annealing process that I'm going to try. See if it works any better. Hopefully it does. Spent a little bit of money on this new setup, but hey, it is what it is. Got to spend money to have fun, so it's worth it. So next video we'll do the annealing, get this thing all back together. I'm still going to adjust the timing on it. I was thinking about doing the other head gasket too, but it's sealed up, so we're not going to mess with it until it needs it. So I apologize. It's not only just Amazon, life in general. I've been busy at my daily job. Had some other stuff come up I had to take care of before working on the toys. So I do really all appreciate you all watching these videos, and hopefully you stick around for the next one. And that's all I got for you all today. I'm sorry, it's probably going to be a short video. I didn't video much taking it apart, so I guess I should have videoed more of that. But anyways, it is what it is. Thank you all for watching. Please give me a thumbs up on this video. Getting lots of views. Either people aren't liking the videos, they're watching them but they're not liking them, or they're watching them and too lazy to hit that little thumbs up, just hit it. It's free. Don't cost you all a dime, you know. Just helps me out, spreads the word of the channel that it's something worth watching. Again, appreciate it, and leave me a comment down in the comment box, and that's all we got. So appreciate it, and we'll catch you all on the next one, and keep wrenching.